everyone, good evening. Most of the time, we don't allow ourselves to decide for ourselves. We allow devils to decide for our life. That early in the morning, hear a voice telling you that there's not gonna be a good day for you. And when you agree with that, sometimes we are not aware that we agree with that. But you have to enjoy the life that you have right now. Enjoy the moment that you have right now. And ask God to guide you in every decisions, in every plan that you created for the day. Ask God to guide you where to go. So it is important that in everything that we do, don't allow the devil. Don't allow the devil decides for your own life. Instead, trust God that He can handle the life that you have. Yes, we encounter tough situations, but we can enjoy life even though we encounter or we in the midst process of having a problem or situation. But the important is you trust everything to God, that everything will be okay, and in His under control, your life runs smoothly, that your life goes to the right directions that God's want you to be there. Just trust God and don't allow the devil ruin your life, ruin your day. At the end of the day, you are capable, that God created you in the image of Him. So you have to see yourself that you have the capacity to handle everything with the will of God. And hope we learn something. Thank you everyone, and God bless.